Sino-sino yung katakot-takot na mga congressmen?
What's up mga suki? Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Gusto ko lang pong i-share itong part 2 ng paghihiring patungkol po dito sa mga ghost project. Talaga naman, maganda po itong panoorin mga suki, yung pag-imbestiga ni Senador Marcolita at ni Senador Jinggoy sa mga taong sangkot dito sa mga ghost project na ito. Panoorin po natin itong paghihiring na ito. Dapat ganito po yung gawin lagi ni Senador Marcolita para po mabunyag po lahat itong mga ghost project kung saan po napupunta yung pira na milyones na wala namang talagang nakikitang mga ginawa. Iwat na lang po natin itong paghihiring na ito mga suki para po malaman natin kung saan napunta yung pera patungkol po dito sa mga ghost project na ito. Ingat po tayo lagi mga suki at huwag po natin kalimutan mag-subscribe.
Na palagi na lang nagre-request ng funding sa nature. Dito po lalabas lahat ito eh. Nakikita po namin. And I'm sure the office will cooperate with the Blue Ribbon Committee. Dito po makikita natin yung napakahilig mag-request ng funding. Tama po ako, hindi?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Okay. Yun pong bidding. Pero baka gusto na magtanong muna yung mga kasama ko po, mag-sip muna ako sa kanila. Anybody who would like to...
No.
Senator Jinggoy.
Thank you.
Galingan mo, Senator Jinggoy, ha?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Is si Miss Cabral ba nandito? Was she invited? Was she invited by this committee? Maybe we can invite her in the next
Hindi,
meeting.
nandito naman ng pinaka-boss, si Secretary.
Well, but I would like to ask some
Mas gusto mo siyang makita kay sa Secretary.
Hindi naman. Anyway, Mr. Secretary, wag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Kung hindi pa binulgar ni Pangulong Marcos itong mga anomalya na nangyari dito sa mga flood control projects, hindi nyo ba iimbestigan to? Kailangan pa umabot ng Senado para imbestigan ito dahil binulgar ni Pangulong Marcos ang mga di umano yung mga anomalya tungkol sa mga flood control projects.
Hindi naman po siguro, I think, Your Honor, I think this is a routine process naman ng department that every project that we complete must have to undergo a quick, it has to undergo a validation audit before we fully pay the contract amount, Your Honor. So meron yung quick quality assurance unit, may audit team na dapat umiikot parati, Your Honor, before we pay the final payment for this project, Your Honor.
So, sa akin palagay, itong mga ghost projects na nabulgar na ngayon, siguro inaayos na nila. Tama? Para hindi malata na ghost.
And I don't think that they will have that capability anymore, Your Honor, because I think if these were ghost projects in the first place, they would not have delivered the time actually to do anything at this point in time. The records will show that if there is no project at all that was implemented, and payment has been made, then it's on.
Tapos na, nasunog na yung pera natin.
That's actually...
Alright, magkano ang in-award dito sa mga, sa Wawaw? Wawaw Builders.
I don't have the figure right now, Mr. Chair, but I think it's predominantly...
No. Meron mga figures dyan. Huwag nyo ako lulukoyin dito.
Yeah.
Labas nyo kung magkano yung in-award nito sa Wawaw. Wow! Builders. Mga ghost projects. We'll wait for it.
The number of projects, the total projects, total cost of the projects that have been implemented is 9 billion
9 million or 9 billion?
9 billion all over the country, Mr. Chair. What? But let me just point out, in Bulacan alone, Wow Builders had 85 projects amounting to 5,971,811.
In Bulacan alone. What about the three municipalities that I've mentioned? Kalumpit, Hagonoy, and what is this? Malolos.
This is for Bulacan First Engineering District Office, Your Honor.
Ito bang, I'm not familiar, no? Ito bang Kalumpit, Malolos, Hagonoy falls under the first
Yes, Your
Bulacan
Honor.
district? Ah?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes, Your Honor.
So magkano? Yung sa Wawaw?
5,971,811,600.
In Bulacan alone?
In Bulacan First Engineering District, Your Honor.
So yung 5 billion na inaward sa Wawaw Builders para sa province Bulacan
First
are
Engineering.
all ghost projects. Correct?
Hindi
Secretary,
naman, Your Honor.
for the record, the total is 9 billion.
That is nationwide.
Nationwide.
Nationwide, Your Honor.
Pero
Pero
lahat
5
yun,
billion
ghost
na
projects.
Your Honor. So,
Ghost projects lahat.
No po. Hindi po.
So ang ghost project lang na sinasabi mo, sa Bulacan lang.
There seems to be some ghost projects actually as reported, Your Honor.
Are you investigating this right
Yes,
now?
Your Honor. We're investigating it.
What is the status of your investigation?
They will be coming up with their financial and physical report in 1 week's time, Your Honor, to my office.
O ayan mga suki, ano po yung masasabi nyo dito sa pagdinig na ito? Na talagang daming ghost project. Ayun na po ang humusga mga suki, at kung umabot po kayo sa video ito ay huwag po natin kalimutan mag-subscribe at mag-iwan ng bakas kung ano po yung masasabi nyo dito sa pagdinig na ito. Ingat po tayo lagi mga suki.